Rhamnus californicus. Okay. This is a remedy you want to keep in your clinic. It's a near specific in case of dysmenorrhea. In dysmenorrhea, when along with dysmenorrhea, there is no symptom, but just generalized muscular body pain, muscular soreness in the back, in the head, in the neck, in the face, in the joints. Rhamnus californicus 30C. Remember, Rhamnus californicus. Remember this name, Rhamnus californicus. Okay. Another remedy, Nephalium. Nephalium, we normally think for sciatica, right? Nephalium belong to compositive family. But Nephalium very good for dysmenorrhea with lot of fullness and lot of weight in the pelvis with sciatica. So dysmenorrhea with sciatica, Nephalium. Another very small remedy, Tanacetum Vulgare. Again, compositive family. There is so much of pain, and you should always give this in a little lower potency. There is so much of pain, so much of fatigue in Tanacetum vulgare that there is a lot of dullness and sleepiness. And patient often says that I feel half dead, half alive. Aadha zinda, aadha murda. So weakness. Tanacetum vulgare. Are you all with me? Are you getting an idea about all these kind of small remedies? I'm trying to introduce to you different remedies that I want you to read. Another beautiful remedy, Senecio Aureus. Senecio Aureus. There are a few things I want to tell you about Senecio Aureus. It's a very important remedy for not just dysmenorrhea, but also for amenorrhea. In cases where, just today I prescribed to one woman of PCOD. She was not getting menses for a long time. I said, okay, what else is happening? She said, along with that, from the time I'm not getting menses, I'm not getting sleep. I don't get sleep after 2 o'clock. So the rubric was sleepless during amenorrhea. It has only two remedies, xanthoxylum and Senecio. Xanthoxylum will have lot of neuralgic pain in the thigh. If the patient doesn't get pain in the thigh, then the remedy is Senecio. Senecio, dysmenorrhea, but more important than dysmenorrhea, typically now amenorrhea, menses have become stopped. Along with that, sleeplessness or backache or urinary complaints. Senecio Aureus works best either in mother tincture 4 drops to 6 drops every day for 15 days or given 6 or 30 potency. Okay. I'm able to remember materia medica better when I close my eyes because the entire thing comes in front of my eyes. When I open my eyes, I see all of you. When I close my eyes, I can see. I can see everyone more better. Strange. I have different maps in front of my eyes. When I close my eyes, I can see all those things. Anemic dysmenorrhea. So dysmenorrhea along with very low hemoglobin level, Meghna, is anemic dysmenorrhea. And this can happen in Senecio. The hemoglobin level goes down because bleeding also happens, no? Nux Moschata, very important remedy. Also a very beautiful remedy. Myristaceae. Nux Moschata. Nux Moschata, very important remedy for dysmenorrhea. Typically in hysterical women, very chilly Nux Moschata. And typically women who are gradually losing the flesh on their chest, on all over their body. They are losing the chest and they are losing their kind of, they're becoming very lean. The flesh is going away, and then they gradually are starting to develop forgetfulness. They are starting to become very chilly, and they faint very easily. This is Nux Moschata dysmenorrhea. You know the typical Pulsatilla. I don't have to tell you the Pulsatilla dysmenorrhea. No? I hope I don't have to tell you that. But remember that the difference between Pulsatilla and Calcarea cup is Calcarea cup, typically the periods, the menses are profuse. That's what Hahnemann writes. Hahnemann writes Calcarea cup, menses profuse. Pulsatilla, menses scanty. This is very typically seen. So when these are the very important thing you want to read from Hahnemannian literature. Read Hahnemann's literature, Materia Medica Pura, introduction to it. How will you remember so many things I tell you in 90 minutes? Already 90 minutes are over. Then all your family members will keep saying, what this every Monday you listen to something. It goes on for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. And they will keep screaming at you. All your uncle, aunties, and husband, wife, and chacha, mama, kaka, everyone. They'll be saying, what is this? Every Monday ka all like bhashan goes on. So I'm going to increase it by about 10-15 minutes. Viburnum Opulus, very beautiful remedy also. Kinjal writes, only mother-in-law sits with me while watching lecture. My God. Vinaya says, 2-year-old baby sits with me and say, hi, Kaka. My God. This is scary. But yeah, no problem. Smita writes, most of these issues come with ascites, adenomyosis. How do we treat it with metrorrhagia and dysmenorrhea? Again, find the remedy for the patient. You will get symptoms, Smita. Even in that, you have to get symptoms. Viburnum opulus, ladies and gentlemen, very important remedy for women who are having recurrent abortion. If you know women who are having recurrent abortion, remember in older domestic medicine, in many American schools, many places, they used to give viburnum. Read about it, about domestic medicine. Very important, viburnum, extreme cramps in abdomen and legs. And along with that, remember, along with that, this remedy doesn't only kind of helps you with reducing the chances of abortion going ahead, where that's why it's a very important remedy for infertility. But the main thing is viburnum has a lot of flatulence. So with the dysmenorrhea, there'll be there'll be eructations. Okay, this is viburnum. Just this symptom you remember. And always better by flu, like lachesis, like macphos, like zincum, like cyclamen, like folliculinum. Okay. Best potency for Viburnum himani is 6 and 30. Another remedy, Gossypium, the great remedy, cotton from Malvae's family. Gossypium may look like phosphorus. Yeah, they are phosphorus, like lean, thin, emaciated. And the constant feeling for Gossypium is, I feel that periods are just going to come. That is the main feeling for Gossypium. And they have a very peculiar thing that during the menses, they get the dream of dead people. This is very typical for Gossypium. And Gossypium people are a little bit like phosphorus. They get emotionally attached to people a lot. And then their problems start when the other person detaches himself. वहां से ही सब problem चालू होता है. Let's go ahead. Another beautiful remedy, Collinsonia canadensis, one of the lesser known remedies for dysmenorrhea. Belongs to the Labiatae family. Dysmenorrhea along with constipation. So during dysmenorrhea, the stools become very hard and the women gradually, they are developing piles or hemorrhoids. You can close your eyes and start Collinsonia canadensis. If you see these three things together, dysmenorrhea, hemorrhoids, and constipation, don't even worry about it. Collinsonia canadensis is the remedy. Are you all with me? Are you getting this clinical hints? Say yes. Collinsonia canadensis. Many people are asking me about the potency. Some smaller remedies you want to use in 6 potency, and some remedies you will use in 30 potency. And the best way is to give it 6 hourly. But if the pain is there a lot, you are allowed to take the medicine and ask the patient to take 1 hourly or 2 hourly till the patient feels better. I give you that. Don't worry about it. Don't listen to anyone. Give it. I have done it. It will help you. And if it is available in LM potency, you can use in LM also.